Hello everyone, welcome to science class. So today we are going to see about agricultural practices. So the second important thing done by farmer after preparing the soil is sowing seeds. So for sowing seeds, farmers want seed. Now selection of seed is important. What type of seed should be sown? Seeds which are healthy and disease free, and the quality should also be good. Okay, while selecting the seeds, these things should be kept in mind, that seeds should be of good quality, healthy and disease free. Seed should be of good quality, healthy and disease free. Also, seeds which give high yield are preferred. Okay, these two things should be kept in mind while selecting the seeds. The first one is seeds should be of good quality, healthy and disease free. The second is seeds which give high yield. Okay, these two things should always be kept in mind. Now, while sowing the seed, what are the important things that we have to keep in mind, that the farmers have to keep in mind? So, the first one is seed should be sown at proper depth, neither too deep nor at the soil. Okay, these two, the seeds should be at proper depth. If they will be sown very deep inside the soil, then what will happen? They may get water, they may get warmth, but they will not get air, and also it will be hard for the shoot to penetrate the soil and come up to get the sunlight. Therefore, seed should be sown at proper depth. It should not be very deep. If we do not sow the seed at the proper depth, if we just keep the seed on the surface of the soil, then there are chances that birds may eat all the seeds. Then there will be no seed left for germination. So the first thing that we have to keep in mind is that seed should be sown at proper depth, neither too deep nor at the surface. Okay. The second thing is that they should be sown at proper distance from each other. That means proper distance. Not all the seeds should be at one place, because young saplings, they want space, water, nutrients and light. If all of them will be at one place, then there will be shortage of all these space, there will be shortage of space, there will be shortage of water, there will be shortage of nutrients and there will be shortage of light. They will have to struggle to get sunlight, water and nutrients. The third thing is that right amount of water is needed for seed. Do not submerge the seed. If you submerge the seed in water, then they will rot. And if you will not give water to seed in proper amount, then they will not be able to germinate. So therefore, there are two methods of sowing the seed. The first is broadcasting and the second is germinating. What is broadcasting? Broadcasting is manually sprinkling the seed all over the field by hand is called broadcasting. Manually means with the help of hand. Look at the farmer how he is sowing the seed. This method is called broadcasting. Just taking seeds in the hand and sprinkling it all over the field with the help of hand. This is broadcasting. Okay, and seed drill. Seed drill is a machine. First of all, it drills, it makes a hole in the land and then it drops one or two seed in that place. So seed drill, broadcasting, seed drill is preferred over broadcasting because in broadcasting large number of seeds can be scattered at one place. They may not be at proper depth, they may not be at proper distance in broadcasting, but in seed drills these two things will be kept in mind. While using seed drills automatically selects the proper depth and proper distance while sowing the seed, but manually there can be mistake also, but machines never do mistake. Once we have to guide them and then the work is done. See, here you can see in the figure, it is a seed drill. Seed drill, here you can see a drill. A drill, it is making a hole, it is digging the soil, and after that it is sowing the seed. Seed drill consists of a funnel shaped seed bowl which opens in 2 or 3 long tubes. These tubes are attached to a plow. This method sows the seed uniformly at proper distance and depth. This method ensures that seeds are covered by the soil after sowing. It prevents birds to damage the seeds. As I said earlier, here a proper distance is selected by the seed drill, but manually it cannot be selected. Also, it is important to cover the seed after sowing, but in broadcasting it is not possible. Seed drill is always a better method than broadcasting. See, some of the plants such as tomato, chilies, rice and onion are first grown in nursery. Nursery means the place where small saplings are kept. A nursery is a small piece of land known as seed bed. When the seed develop into seedling, the farmer selects the healthiest one for transplanting, that is, to plant in the field. This method is not applicable for seed of wheat and millet, which are directly grown in field. Okay. Now see here, tomato, chili, rice and onion. These are first grown in nursery. Nursery means a place where the saplings are grown first. After that they are transplanted into the field. So, all the seeds cannot be grown in nursery. Seeds such as wheat and millets, they cannot be grown in nursery. We have to grow them directly into the farm. So, this is how seed is sown. Sowing of seed. Hope you have understand the topic. Sowing the seed. First of all, you need to select the best quality of seed with high yield. After that, you have to keep in mind that seed should be sown at proper depth, proper distance and right amount of water should be given. And method of sowing the seed are broadcasting and seed drill. Broadcasting means manually sprinkling the seed all over the field, and broadcasting means sowing the seed with the help of machine, seed drill machine. It is better than broadcasting. Now, seeds, the small plants are also taken from nursery. In nursery, which type of plants grow? Tomato, chili, rice and onion. It is not possible for wheat and millets to be grown in nursery and then transplanting after that. Also, these millets, they can grow in any type of soil. So, hope you have understand this, and in next video we will be reading the topic adding manure and fertilizer.